Hi, Johanna. It's Sandy Parker, and I want to give you a beautiful testimonial about the experience I had at your retreat. When I showed up at the retreat, I was sort of scattered. I don't know if you remember, I was sort of like, look, I barely skidded into this place. Things aren't good. Money's not good. Can't quite get a handle on what I'm doing. And I remember just sort of easing into the feeling of being at that retreat and just sort of surrendering and just being there and being in that beautiful spirit with those amazing women and the space that was just like so accepting and so easy to be in. And there was no judgment. I didn't feel like I wasn't as good as everybody else or anything. That was, I just felt perfectly accepted. And then the beautiful thing is, of course, on Saturday we had the great day, and then on Sunday we did the experiment with the offers, where we learned to actually make offers to each other. And that was kind of challenging, partly because I didn't really have my offer figured out. I remember trying different things and go, well, it seems to be going okay. And then we actually talked about how there's people of support of you in your work. Ancestors, friends, this community, people who come together, and we're not alone. We're really a group of people bringing light and love to the world. So I left the retreat, didn't think that much of it, and I had an appointment the next day. And I remember in that appointment thinking, if I could be the same person today that I was yesterday in that retreat, then I could actually feel what it feels like to make an offer and have the person happy to pay for it. And they did. I mean, it was the biggest offer I ever had. It was $15,000 for one project. And I actually wasn't all that excited about it. I was like, okay, good. And, this is the offer, what I'd like to offer you, and this is what I'd like for you to get for that. And this is what it would cost. And he was like, great, happy about that. I love it. I'm excited to work with you. Almost exactly like what the experience was we had in the retreat. So the long and short of it is, I believe that I wouldn't have been in the position to be the way I want to be in the world had I not been at that retreat, to actually feel it and become it. So if anybody's thinking about doing the retreat, I would say, man, you will get your money out of it times over. And if nothing else, you can just grow and become more educated and more ready for the life that you want. So just want to say thank you, Johanna. You mean the world to me anyway, and now my future is much brighter because I was at your retreat. So, love you.